guys, what's up? Thank you so much for watching Mostly Sane. I'm Prajakta. Welcome back to another Real Talk Tuesday video. This one's super special because, well, it's for Miss Man.
Woohoo!
I mean, I just feel like, I do this so many times when I talk about other shows. जैसे होता है कि चलो, I'm going to meet somebody or we're going to talk. जैसे मैंने The Sky is Pink के time पे also I'd done it. So I am extremely happy right now because now this time it's all of us who are in the show और trailer बाहर निकल चुका है. We are loving the reactions that we are getting, right, guys?
Yes, absolutely.
That's true. अगर आपको already पता ना हो, which is impossible, I'll still introduce everybody. That's Rohit Saraf. This is Taruk. This is Vihan, and that is Abhinav. Also, we miss Devyani, we miss Kritika, we miss Muskan, जो हमारे साथ show पे थे, but they are working and they couldn't be here. Not like we are not working, but
and of course Ranvijay
and Vidya. तो बहुत मजेदार cast रही. So I had to do a Real Talk Tuesday video. Also in a lot of our Sawal Saturday videos, I was getting a lot of questions about the show. So I thought, why not just do a whole video with the cast? ठीक है? Sudeep, can you ask us questions?
Yes, I can.
Okay, great. तो सुदीप सारे सवाल हमसे पूछेगा. ठीक है, ready guys?
yeah.
Let's go.
First question to all of you. You know how everyone reads a book and they have their own interpretations?
Yeah.
Abhinav, what's your interpretation of Mismatched?
मुझे लगता है बहुत ही I felt very cozy and very warm whenever I think about the show, and when we were shooting it just felt like, and that's why I like when it's coming out also. जैसे दिवाली के time पे and like दिल्ली की सर्दियाँ हो रही हैं and you can imagine like I was ऐसे bed में ऐसे कंबल लेके ऐसे मैं देखूँगा ये show, and it's so that's the vibe that I get from the show कि बहुत ही
कि कंबल में बैठ के देखने वाला.
lukewarm. Because I thought warm तो कितने शो होते हैं, lukewarm
अनोखा है.
and
I don't know if lukewarm is a great compliment.
but it's good lukewarm.
It's a great lukewarm.
It's a great lukewarm.
That's
So
such a
like
cozy look.
warm and cozy and love and
Heartfelt
happy
lukewarm.
and family and friends and everything nice, hopefully.
ले, इसने सबके आंसू दे दिए.
देखो मुझे लगता है हमारे शो में पहली बात तो इतनी हमारी दोस्ती दिखेगी ना जो असली में भी हो गई थी कि एक्टिंग नहीं करनी पड़ी. दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट. आई फील लाइक दैट वाज ऑसम. मतलब सिचुएशंस हैं जो रिलेटेबल हैं. इतनी सारी चीजें हमारे साथ लाइफ में होती है, वो आप शो में भी देख सकते हो ऑब्वियसली थोड़ा सिनेमैटिक वे में,
थोड़ा रोमांटिसाइज किया हुआ है.
मतलब और इनके कैरेक्टर इतने कमाल के हैं, इतने
इनके मतलब आपके
सबके
कमाल के
हम सबके कैरेक्टर्स.
We can't wait for people to say what
अरे
he's done.
ये लोग तो खुद भी कैरेक्टर कमाल के हैं ना, तो
अच्छा.
वो वाला सीन है.
यार
I think
Vihan is on the verge of saying the boys played well.
शो के बारे में मैं क्या सोचता हूँ. ओके, अगर मैं शो के बारे में सोचूं तो मुझे एक थॉट आता है दैट इट इज अ फुल मील. मतलब एक पूरा प्रॉपर मील होता है 5 कोर्स का, साथ में मिठाई, बाद में लस्सी टाइप्स. तो वैसा मुझे मील लगता है.
And he's the snack.
Oh, and Rohit is the snack. Is what Taruk is saying.
Show us the full meal.
Prajakta.
My interpretation of Mismatched basically is something that I was missing in the content space as a viewer. मुझे लगता है कि मैं ये शोज देख के बड़ी हुई हूँ, ऐसे वाले शोज जहाँ पे फ्रेंडशिप एंड लव एंड झगड़े एंड ब्रेकअप एंड कॉलेज, और फिर अचानक से वो शोज आने बंद हो गए, पता नहीं दिखने बंद हो गए, क्या हो गया. तो मेरे को वो सबसे ज्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है कि वो फाइनली आई मीन इट्स सो
Yeah.
And she's wonderful.
What?
She's so good. I'm saying, and you're wonderful.
I think Mismatched एक ऐसा show है that young people can watch and really relate with, and they can understand their things and their problems on screen and what the characters go through. I think it's a
Yeah.
very good show
Yeah.
in terms of
So
that.
if you're saying it's so relatable, that's one emotion that all you guys.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's relatable.
Did it actually take you guys back to your school, college?
Yeah.
I mean, some part of high school, yes.
Taruk, which part of high school will take you back to?
The last year of high school.
Do you see a similarity between Taruk and like you as a person?
I don't,
Yes.
but a lot of people
Yes.
do.
Yes.
No,
Yes.
no, listen.
Yeah.
No,
Yes,
listen.
I'm asking this to you especially because you have a character which is quite the opposite
Yeah.
of a
Me?
nice sweet boy.
Yes, and I'm a nice, sweet boy.
Oh, okay.
What have I done in life to you guys?
Nothing. No, he's a good person.
We
good
never
human
said
being.
anything.
Okay.
But there are similarities. कुछ मिलता है, पर इतना भी नहीं. पर it's, I guess I also it enabled me to bring a part of myself into it. तो मतलब उसमें भी मजा आया.
Yeah, I mean, first of all, Taro and I went to school together. So like that last year of school that he's talking
It was
about,
pretty much the same.
it's pretty much the same for us.
And the friendship shows on screen for both of them.
Yeah, we are best friends.
Oh yeah, they're best friends even on screen.
In real life also. So
In real life also.
So yeah, these things played out in an interesting way.
तो ऐसे relatable in the sense मतलब obviously लड़ाइयाँ breakups you know you see it around you तो उस तरीके से I could relate to it but not personally I couldn't.
Or maybe it was like मुझे लड़की के पास जाना पड़ेगा वो नहीं
One
है.
second.
लड़कियां आती हैं मेरे पास,
ये-
मैं नहीं जाता किसी के पास.
One second.
Vihan, do you use
He's
the,
very
what
upset.
do you use the internet in school for?
पढ़ाई के लिए.
Bro, come on.
जी हाँ.
Research के लिए.
Research.
ये सब मैं देखता नहीं हूँ ऑनलाइन पे.
क्या सब?
जो आप कह रहे
क्या?
what are you insinuating?
Clear history.
एक second. विहान ने पहले ही बोला था,
Incognito.
ये एक मेथड एक्टर है.
Yeah. And he was like, tissue soft होने चाहिए.
इसने जो रिसर्च की है इतनी in-depth.
I went abroad for college, so sometimes the accent of the American accent that I used to use there is bleeding into Harsh because he is American. So I could take that from my life where I was in it and put this into Harsh's character.
Okay. Rohit, if you had to talk about your character in Mismatched, in a line, what is your character?
Hopeless romantic. 2 words.
2 words.
Yeah.
What about you, Taru?
Always angry.
Prajakta?
Very sadu.
What about you, Vihan?
Detached.
Detached. 2 words. Very detached.
Very detached. बहुत detached. एकदम.
That's your
Are you
spin-off.
detached?
It's not
Is
true.
Harsh's character
It's not
detached?
true.
It's not true.
It's not true.
He's
He wants a spin-off.
honest and kind, but also detached a little bit.
He wants to be detached.
2 words, you know, conflicted, etc.
Okay. So when did you guys shoot, Taru?
We shot in Jodhpur and Jaipur.
When?
This time
This
last
time last
year.
This time last year, my God, it's been the
A
world has
year.
changed. I feel like this year has not happened only.
And what was the, like where? Was it a school? Was it
It was a school.
Yeah.
It was called
Mayur
Chopasini.
Chopasini.
Mayur
Mayur
Chopasini.
Chopasini School. It's huge. I
And
mean,
it is
it's a castle.
beautiful.
It's like those old, really old palace buildings turned into a school.
और फन फैक्ट वहाँ पे एक्चुअली सारे रॉयल बच्चे जाते
थे।
थे हाँ
थे,
पहले
अब
मतलब
नहीं।
वहाँ पे राजा महाराजाओं के
नहीं,
टाइम
अभी
पे
भी जाते होंगे।
अभी भी जाते
क्या
होंगे पता
पता,
नहीं अभी तो
मतलब
वहाँ हम जाते हैं
हाँ बस शूटिंग के लिए.
हम शूटिंग के लिए जाते
I mean, when we saw the trailer, it looks a lot like you're going to talk about your first loves, your firsts, when you go to college, when you meet new people. It's a lot of firsts, right? Let's talk about the first loves. Prajakta, who was your first love?
Oh,
First
first
love.
love. Oh, there was a
There
point
was
where
this-
Yeah, I know a lot of first loves that Taro had.
I
So,
always
not
thought
one.
it was my first love. But
हैं
then
every love felt like first
First love.
हाँ मतलब मेरे को याद है एक लड़की को मैंने चॉकलेट दी थी और उसने मेरे को थैंक यू बोला. उसके बाद मुझे बोला ओ बट यू लाइक माय ब्रदर. उसके बाद वो मुड़ी और उसने क्लास में चॉकलेट बांट दिया. लोग लाइन में खड़े रहे जैसे पता नहीं डीटीसी बस है यार.
I went to Technia International School in Delhi. तो बहुत लोगों को ये नहीं पता है बट मेरे जैसे मुंडन होता है मेरा 7 साल में हुआ था फर्स्ट टाइम. तो मेरे बाल इतने लंबे थे पहले तो मैं उस टाइम तक स्कूल जैसे छोटी वोटी बना के जाता था.
Why don't we know this is the question?
What is this story?
सिर्फ स्कूल में जा सकते हैं.
So listen, so then I used to go और फिर suddenly one day I had to cut it off. मतलब मैं गंजा हो गया था तो बहुत embarrassing था और मैं बहुत रोया था और स्कूल जाता गया फर्स्ट डे तो सब बहुत हंसे मेरे पे. But I had this one teacher who said, Charu ma'am, her name was.
She's your first love?
Yeah, she looked at me and she did this and she said, you look very cute. I think I had a mini crush on her that day.
First love.
Yeah,
First
yeah,
love.
and that's about it. Then nothing more than that. But I smiled, and then I would just keep smiling in her class. She also happened to be my class teacher the next year, which was the best year.
Can you please just give us a picture of a
You
bald
with the long
Rohit?
hair. No, I want to see the one in long hair.
I can give a picture of a bald Rohit. I will get back to that.
Okay, great.
Yeah.
Vihan, first love.
There was this girl in school, 4th grade or 5th grade.
Your first love was in 5th grade?
No, but it was very cute सा love. मतलब it wasn't like मैं बहुत शर्माता था जब मैं छोटा था तो I never really spoke to her. I just used to see her and smile and say hello and she would say hello and I'd go home. And that was it. Nothing else happened.
यही होता है प्यार.
First love was when I was in college, my second year, when I saw this girl and she came on stage. It was her ECA and I saw her and I
Her
told
what?
her ECA, like you, she was
Extracurricular
a
audition.
theater admission. And then I looked at her and I told my friend, listen, I think I'm going to date this girl. When I saw her for the first time, and then 3 months later,
You said that to the girl or to your
to
friend?
my friend, he was sitting next to me, and I said,
goes up
I
to
think
her.
I'm going to date this girl. And then 3 months later,
I am going to, not I want to.
I'm going to.
Determination is always been a
It was,
thing.
I said I'm going to date. It wasn't out of, I had never had a girlfriend before college. So, because the first girl I asked out said no to me, and she didn't say no. Her friend came and said no to me. That's actually a more
Why am I
interesting story
rejected?
though. Like, still.
एक second रुक.
So yeah, that was the first love, and then we dated, and she's very happy now, I'm sure, and we're still good friends.
Oh, nice.
Sweet.
Yeah.
So most of you guys, most of you have been talking about unacquitted love, right? Like it didn't work out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The first love, like the first time you went out with someone, was it a match? Was it a mismatch?
Think it was a
And the word go.
mismatched. Mismatched.
It was mismatch.
Yeah, which is why we're not together anymore.
No, I mean it's
No,
not
like
No,
did
no.
it feel like a mismatch?
No, it didn't feel like a match. So it was a mismatch.
for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Naru?
Mismatch.
Mismatch.
Full mismatch.
How mismatched?
Very mismatched.
What-
I
what
wasn't
was-
even
what was
myself. These first loves happened at a point where जो लड़की को पसंद है मैं वो बन जाऊंगा. Like it was like
It's not first love. It's every love ever.
It's even now.
It happens. Every relationship.
नहीं, अब तो
that's what I was
first
gonna
6-8 months.
No, my first love was a match.
Was a match.
Yeah.
Okay.
But later on, obviously, you know, you grow up.
How do opposites really attract?
Yes, I recently met someone who we're not similar at all, but I think we're attracted to each other.
No, I think opposites and similarities have to be there. There are some things you can teach each other, some things have to be agreed on.
So do you need to be more matched or more mismatched?
Right now in life,
Yeah.
I think
yeah.
a balance of both.
What are the things that should be matched?
That should not be matched. I think what should match is the fact that we want the same things out of the relationship. I think that should be something that should match. And the way to get that can be mismatched, and that's absolutely fine.
I think stuff that should match is like just the level of faith and trust in a relationship. बाकी सब I think हो जाता है. Like I think both parties should want it equally, and I think that works then.
Yeah.
So when you guys were shooting, obviously the conditions were cold. It was very difficult to shoot. Blah blah blah. Without giving.
So show में summer है.
हाँ.
पर actually हम winter
were
में shoot
shooting in
कर रहे थे
winter.
तो काफी bad बजी पड़ी थी. It was freezing and we had to wear summer clothes.
Let's talk about the most difficult scene that you had to shoot, because for most of you it was the first big show.
I know yours.
Which one?
It was the first time I was doing a scene which was fairly intimate in a certain way, and the scene ऐसा था कि intimate scene था, and Nipun and Akash had a conversation with me and the other actor, just scene hai, and
Simran, everybody knows in the trailer that Trish and Simran are together.
so Simran, and that's why interesting tha thoda, क्योंकि it was the first time I was doing something like that for Kritika as well, and the अच्छी बात ये थी कि अच्छे से we spoke about it and we were comfortable eventually when we shot, but that was a new thing for me to shoot and you know just
एक scene था that I shot with Prajakta that was fairly like heavy in terms of the emotional quality, or it was kind of cold on that night also. So we were on the roof and we were waiting and
And we were-
and a little bit
yeah.
and it was
It
one
was
long
flattering.
take. It was the 2-3 minute का take था and we weren't cutting and we had to be in the zone and focus and get that right because it was an important scene.
मेरे लिए 2 scenes हैं. जो सबसे पहला जो मैंने shoot किया, it was not even very heavy performance wise. It was very simple कि मैं बस एक जगह पे enter कर रही हूँ और जाके बैठ रही हूँ. पर मेरे लिए वो मेरे life के first proper set का पहला सीन था, शॉट था, तो आई वॉज एक्सट्रीमली स्केर्ड. तो वो डेफिनेटली, और एक और मेरे ख्याल से जो ट्रेलर में भी आखिरी सीन है जो ऋषि के साथ है, मेरे ख्याल दैट वाज आल्सो वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज अगेन लाइक विहान सेड, आई रिमेंबर जब हम वो शूट कर रहे थे ना सीन, एक पॉइंट ऐसा गया था कि लाइक आई हैड आल्सो गिवन अप वेयर आई कुडंट गेट इट राइट, तो मेरे से ना हंसी छूट रही थी.
I think overall my characters, because he's on a wheelchair, physically some scenes were very intense for me in terms of just doing daily work, like the regular work we take for granted.
Yeah.
मुझे तब पता चला कि जिन मतलब जो एक्चुअली उस सिचुएशन में हैं उनको कितनी तकलीफ होती होगी किस लेवल पे, और मैं तो मतलब 10-10 सेकंड के लिए कर रहा था वो, मेरी उसी में हालत खराब हो गई. सो आई काइंड ऑफ गॉट द हैंग ऑफ इट, बट बहुत मुश्किल होता है यार वो हर सीन वैसे करना कुछ.
I mean, in general, like of course there are emotional, थोड़े difficult scenes होते हैं, but फिजिकली एक्चुअली मेरे लिए एक सीन बहुत ज़्यादा डिफिकल्ट था एंड आई हैड टू शूट अ रेन सीक्वेंस. मेरी वाट लग गई थी क्योंकि सुबह 4 बजे की बात है ये, और 4 बजे वैसे ही बहुत ठंड होती है. एंड आई वाज वेयरिंग वन ऐसे पतला फ्लिम्जी सा शर्ट एंड फुल रेन
पानी उतना ही ठंडा था.
और पानी उतना ही ठंडा था. और वो एक्चुअली हमको वो शूट करने में आई थिंक 2-2.5 घंटे लगे. सो वो 2-2.5 घंटे बार बार सुखाना अपने आप को, फिर वापस गीला करना, फिर सुखाना, वापस गीला करना, वो बहुत चैलेंजिंग था. सो दैट वाज वन. और एक और जैसा प्राजक्ता ने बोला, वो लास्ट सीक्वेंस जो था, जो कि ट्रेलर में भी दिखा, द मैसिव.
Which he is brilliant in. You have to watch him in the last sequence.
थैंक यू, शी इज अमेजिंग. बट वो भी बहुत वाट लगी वो शूट करने में, बिकॉज आई थिंक वी बोथ गेव अप इमोशनली एंड फिजिकली ऑल्सो, बिकॉज इवन दो यू आर नॉट डूइंग मच एंड यू आर जस्ट स्टैंडिंग एंड यू नो काइंड ऑफ येलिंग एट ईच अदर, दैट ऑल्सो ड्रेन्स यू फिजिकली. तो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था वो भी.
What's your favorite episode?
5th.
Party sequence.
4th. Episode 4.
Fourth episode?
Yeah, episode 4.
Fourth?
Yeah.
Rohit?
Fifth. Mine is fifth.
Mine is also fifth.
Let's talk about the shoot environment. Was it fun? Was it serious?
Oh
was
my
it,
God.
What was it?
Bagban.
Bhagwan it was, fully.
Akash is amazing.
It was the best shoot I've ever been on. Like easy.
Zabardast.
Easy.
How long was the shoot?
40 दिन.
39 days. 39 days, हाँ.
Okay.
Tell us about your director.
Akash
What
is a
do I
legend.
say? He is amazing. Nipun, Akash, they're both
And
fabulous people.
they are very different. It's crazy how
Yeah.
as people they are so different from each other. लेकिन उन्होंने एक show
Yeah,
बनाया.
yeah.
Actually, their way of working is also very different.
हाँ.
Like when you look at Nipun directing, so a lot of times all of us we had to shunt from one
Unit.
unit to the second unit. मतलब कभी निपुण के साथ कर रहे थे, कभी आकर्ष के साथ, कभी बैक एंड फोर्थ हो रहा था सेम डे पर. और आई फील एज एन एक्टर थोड़ा सा डिसोरिएंटिंग भी था हमारे लिए, क्योंकि एक निपुण का मेथड है विच इज वेरी रिहर्स्ड, प्रॉपर.
मतलब अगर आपको लगता है कि एक्टर्स आकर्ष के सेट पे मस्ती करते हैं, तो that's not true. आकर्ष के सेट पे आकर्ष ही मस्ती करता है.
That's true.
जितनी मस्ती एके ने करी है, the pranks he pulls, the things he does, and he's just an overall he's just pranking and bullying everybody, including Nipun. तो मतलब आपको वहाँ पे आपको सेट पे बैठ के कुछ करने की जरूरत है, आप उसको देखते रहो बस. He's full package.
मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये सीन मेरे से नहीं हो रही, डायरेक्टर जो बोल रहा है मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है.
हाँ, एक बार मेरे साथ हुआ. आई हैड टू क्राई, ऋषि हैड टू क्राई, एंड मुझे नहीं आ रहा था क्योंकि पटाखे बज रहे थे यार. दिवाली का टाइम था, हर जगह
पार्टियां चल रही थी
पटाखे.
साइड
एंड
में.
आई कैन हियर म्यूजिक. कौन सा वो
song,
गाना?
there was a song.
Oh, Ethia.
Oh, Ethia was playing and I had to cry. I'm just like, how the hell do I cry to Ethia?
वो last scene, वो challenging था. It took a couple of takes, but I think I got it in the end. But it requires that amount of effort.
Okay.
2-3 बार 4 बार.
मैं ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ तो ना, मेरे लिए हर सीन जितना भी मैं कर रही थी, बिकॉज दिस वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम वर्किंग विद लाइक अ डायरेक्टर who was telling me, this was the first time I was playing a character I had not written. There was a lot of things, so every day for me came with a little bit of
A surprise and
a surprise and a challenge.
I think एक sequence है bathroom में, some like it's a reveal of sorts, and हाँ आकर्ष के साथ मैं शूट कर रहा था, and it's not like नहीं हो रहा था, but it was just that one beat which is कि ठीक हो रहा है, नहीं हो रहा है, समझ नहीं आ रहा, and then you just need your director to tell you कि हो रहा है, हो रहा है, हो रहा है. So that happened, but हाँ, that was that one scene.
Also, all my scenes with Taruk, especially there's one scene with Taruk जिसमें मतलब मेरे को नफरत हो गई थी तारुक से. उसकी शक्ल से मुझे नफरत हो गई थी.
But I don't think anybody who's watching it will feel like this is the first time she was on an acting set.
Yeah.
She's
बहुत natural.
beyond like fabulous in the show.
Apart from yourself, the character that you like the most.
Muskan's character.
Selena.
Selena.
She's
Selena.
so good, man. Muskan is so good.
Like that whole vibe is something else.
I know she's the way she's performed
Yeah.
it, the layers and whatnot, so many shades to that character. It's a beautiful
Even
character.
her hair is blue. I think Vihan's.
Oh, thank you.
Character.
But Harsh is such an interesting journey to follow.
Yeah. That's
And obviously, no spoilers.
I think it's a fun journey.
It's you don't know what's gonna happen with this boy in every episode, and
Harsh.
Krish.
Arre. This was planned.
No, but actually, I tell you, there's one person who doesn't get enough credit. I think it's Momo.
I was about to say
Oh,
that.
dude.
One character. I'll pick two characters क्योंकि मेरे को लगता है इन दो characters को आप मिला दोगे ना तो real life प्राजक्ता बन जाएगी. Which is Momo's character and Rishi's character. I feel like because I am a hopeless romantic in life, I'm super filmy, and Momo Maharashtrian मुलगा. मैं तो बहुत ही खुश हो गई उसका कैरेक्टर देख के.
1 second, can I please say one thing? There was one time we were all playing a game. She got so irritated by Momo because he wasn't letting her eat besan ke laddu. She called him Sala Kutreya.
No, I call Abhinav Kutreya.
She called me that. I also
called Momo
that's why I didn't know whether I should laugh or not.
I think Krish is fascinating because there's a little bit of back and forth जो हम करते हैं set में, and it's also you can see that kind of camaraderie and that kind of friendship and that thing that starts with a little bit of bullying and it goes into something else. And the stuff he would say on set sometimes it would just make me laugh. I had to cut because
और
नहीं
कितनी
हो
सारी मीन चीजें पता है जो स्क्रिप्ट में भी नहीं होती थी, ये लोग मुझे बोलते थे.
मैंने
डालते
कुछ नहीं
थे
किया है।
जबरदस्त.
झूठ मत बोल.
मैंने एक चीज नहीं बोली
झूठ
है।
मत बोल.
I love Selena's character. It is, I think, one of the most beautiful characters I've ever read about in general. Like not just this show, but it's so multi-layered. बहुत ही there are a lot of shades. I would like to agree on that. ये बहुत bully करते हैं offset, onset, हर जगह.
Bahubullies.
Both of them.
बाहुबली.
Bahubolis. They've thought about each one.
Yeah.
Okay, who was the most fun to work with?
Most fun to work with.
Yeah, I don't think you can name one,
Yeah.
to be very
Why not?
honest. Okay.
We have to name
Okay,
only
okay,
one
wait.
person.
No,
person.
I have a person. Most fun I've had because most scenes I have is with Abhinav.
Okay,
ये
great.
हंसाता है
Good
हमको.
answer. Abhinav.
The first day that we shot, ideally the first day was going to be Rohit and Prajakta, but their flights got delayed.
Yeah.
So हमें बोला गया कि अभिनव तारू तुम्हारा scene कर रहे हैं. Just before Akash called action and it was just the two of us in frame. It was just the two of us. I remember, shit. So like, I looked at Taruk and Taruk was looking at me and I just said, bhai, and like we just had a small hug just before action.
I really enjoyed working with Avinash Arun sir.
Bro.
It was a very big thing for me. I didn't think I could work with him so early on. And I was just, मैं बहुत खुश हूँ कि उनके साथ मैंने काम किया है.
हमें क्या कमी रह गई?
Avinash Arun is the DOP of our show.
Yeah, like everyone's saying, बहुत difficult है because again the show has just turned out like this क्योंकि it was a team effort that came together. But just the fact that I had more scenes that I shot with Rohit and Akash.
Yeah, I think similarly because I had most of my scenes with Prajakta. बहुत मजा आया यार, ये पागल है. मतलब हम रात को कितना random call time होते थे. 1 बजे का call time रात को and we are shooting through the night. मुझे बहुत मजा आया. ये this is my favorite person on set.
But also Namrata's character is
Yeah, very
beautiful.
Yeah.
And मेरे को लगता है जिस तरह से देवयानी has played the character, it's very understated.
And it's her first show.
It is her first show. Yeah.
She's brilliant. She's
Yeah.
brilliant in the show.
Yeah. So I think I wouldn't mind doing that character. It would be very weird because then I would get friend zoned.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool then.
15 to 20-year-old is going to watch this show. What should they look out for?
यार मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि अगर आप कॉलेज में अभी तक गए नहीं हो तो ये शो आपको देख के लगेगा कि ओह वाओ कॉलेज ऐसे होगा. अगर आप कॉलेज में हो रिलेटेबल होगा. अगर आप पास आउट हो चुके तो बोले यार यही तो होता था कॉलेज में. सो इट्स रिलेटेबल फॉर एवरीबडी. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है कि बस दिस इज फॉर यंगर पीपल. आई थिंक एवरीवन शुड वॉच इट एंड एवरीवन विल एंजॉय इट.
मुझे भी यही लग रहा है.
Ditto.
I think, but to build on that, as she's saying, you know, when जब आप देखेंगे तो आपको दिखेगा कि अच्छा ठीक है ये लोग वही गलतियां कर रहे हैं जो मैंने गलती करी थी. अरे ये लोग वो गलतियां कर रहे हैं, अगर मैं ऐसी गलती करूं सब ठीक हो जाएगा. एंड यू नो अच्छा वो इंटरेस्टिंग है, ये अच्छा है, ये अच्छा नहीं है, ये भी ठीक है.
मतलब आई थिंक इट ऑल्सो मतलब एक पूरे रेंज ऑफ इमोशंस की ऐसे जर्नी पे लेके जाता है. हर चीज होती है, मतलब खुशी है, मजाक है, सैडनेस है, गुस्सा है,
नफरत भी है.
बहुत सारा
नफरत है,
गुस्सा तो बहुत है.
नफरत है, सब कुछ है. एंड आई थिंक कहीं ना कहीं सब में वो होता है. तो यू नो लाइक you get to see all sides of a person in
Yeah.
multiple people.
Yeah.
Prajakta or Devyani on set, and it's so effortless how they've done it. It's not envy per se, it's just
Admiration.
admiration. और तुम्हें लगता है यार ये कैसे कर दिया इन्होंने, बट कर दिया.
Like we're mostly just in awe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I cannot tell you how much all my co-actors have helped me in every scene that I've done. There was one very intense scene in the classroom that I shot with Abhinav also, जहाँ पे again it was, तो मुझे लगता है कि everyone यार वो कहते हैं ना कि मेल बहुत सही से आया था सबका.
Yeah, I don't think every time when you're helping someone, it's not necessarily telling them what to do, but it's also sometimes just being there with them
Exactly.
and performing equally with them. You know, it's always about action and reaction. Like when you need to have an equally invested co-actor जो तुम्हारे साथ उतना ही invested है उस scene में.
What about Ranvijay and Vidya?
Oh, so much fun.
Oh, क्या बात.
विद्या ना मस्त है. I feel like Vidya as a person only in life is.
And Ranvijay is so good that I'm stunned.
I'm stunned.
Honestly, हमारे लिए तो सबके लिए it was quite a fan moment.
Randomly,
also.
Vidya
Yeah,
मैम
yeah,
आपके
yeah.
पास आती थी और compliment देती थी आपको.
Honestly, like,
And I'm like, thank you so much for this compliment. I didn't need it, but now I know I need it. You know?
Keep them coming.
no, but honestly, with Ranvijay, it was such a, like, we've all kind
Grown
of.
up, yeah.
Watching him, yeah.
Yeah, and it was just that guy, that youth icon.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think the funny part is that I expected him to have a certain demeanor, like
Yeah.
But he's so
strong.
chill.
Yeah, he's very chill. Like he's not rude at all. He's not arrogant or anything that we usually see of him on
क्योंकि
screen.
रोडीज में तो चीखते हुए देखा है कि तू ये नहीं कर सकता तो वो नहीं कर सकता.
मैंने सोचा हम push-ups कर रहे हो.
Yeah, and we partied with him one night.
yeah.
I miss that party.
Oh man, I think that changed everything.
वो तो
And
party
that
कर
changed
सकते हैं.
my equation with Ranvijay for me for the rest of the show.
When is the show coming out?
20th.
But there's also one thing which I feel like people can learn a lot from the show is how you need to be authentic. इस show में ये दिखेगा कि अगर आप अपने साथ authentic नहीं हैं तो क्या हो सकता है. So I think that is a very big learning lesson for everyone, not just for people but even for us while we were shooting.
Alright everybody, so this was जितना हम बात कर सकते थे मिसमैच के बारे में. Trust me, we would have loved to spill everything about the show, लेकिन उसके लिए आपको शो देखना पड़ेगा. It's my first Netflix show. It's called Mismatched. It's available on Netflix. अपने phone पे, laptop पे, tablet पे, जहाँ पे भी जाके देखें. Please do let me know what you think about it. हमारे Instagrams पे हमें tag कीजिए. I really honestly want to know, and I want you to know that thank you so much for all the love that you have shown so far. It just matters a lot to me that I get to be in a position like this where I get to actually be in a show. और वो है क्योंकि we happened. So thank you very much. अब मैं जाने वाला हूँ. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you should do that. It's free. I will see you again on Thursday. Until we meet. Love.